is it. Alright, so check it out. This is the Gotrax. We're going to go take it for a quick test run. Yeah, so let me show you real quick how to disassemble it real quick. So, put that down. You can take this. Obviously we can extend this up and down, but check this out. Pull this up, pull this lever out, and there you go. Locks in, double locks, into position, we are locked. Okay, we're gonna go race a Corvette. Ding, ding, ding. And kickstand up, and away we go. Nothing too bad. Whoa. This thing is crazy fast. I've got it in sport mode, which will do like 20 miles an hour. This thing rolls. This thing is really cool. I am in love with this toy. This is an adult toy though, just to be sure. I mean, sure, larger kids, whatever, wear your helmet. I'm not. I'm just giving this thing a quick test. But I love how it's got the suspension in the back here. You can see it rotating. And what's really nice is it can hold me. I am pushing kind of the higher end of the weight on this, and it will actually handle me just fine. So, all right.